Meaning of gusto.
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 Gusto. Gusto is a noun that refers to a great enjoyment, enthusiasm, or zest for doing something. It is often associated with a sense of passion or relish in performing an activity. This can range from enjoying a delicious meal to pursuing a hobby with fervor or zeal. Someone who does something with gusto displays a sense of boldness and eagerness that can be infectious and inspiring to those around them. Ultimately, having gusto in life means approaching every day with energy, excitement, and a willingness to make the most of each opportunity.